today's cooking class, we are making fruit smoothies. Now I have 3 helpers here to help me today. First, what's your name? Thank you. And what's your name? Tida. And what's your name? Utai. Thank you, everyone. Tell me, what ingredients do we have for our smoothies? Starting over there. What is that? Strawberry. Very good. And Tida, what's this?
Blueberry.
Blueberry. Very good. Utai, what's that?
Banana.
Banana. Thank you. All 3 of you. Utai, Tida, and Thay. What is this? Yogurt. Say again. Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Thank you. So, these are the ingredients we're going to use. Oh, I forgot, we have one more. It's milk. Yes, condensed milk. Okay? All right, Putai. What should we make first?
Strawberry.
Strawberry and what?
Banana.
Yeah, I think that would go good together. Strawberry and banana. So, to get started, the first thing we're going to need is some strawberries. Now, I'm going to come over here. Everybody, one more time together, can we say strawberry?
Strawberry.
Very good, okay? So I'm gonna get a few strawberries in here. Okay, so we have that. Now we also need our banana, okay? Now, Thay, I'm going to ask you, what's this?
Banana.
Very good. Okay, so first, I'm going to get 1 banana. Okay, here we are. All right, so, Thay, can you peel the banana, please? Peel it. Thank you. Good. So now we have 2 more things left, okay? The first one, everyone, is milk.
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 Very good. Now, Tida, I need you to squeeze in, okay? Now be careful, don't spill it all over my fingers. Okay, go ahead. Squeeze it into the cup. 1 full cup. Now, we have one more thing. One more thing left to do. We have ice. Can I hear you say ice?
Ice.
Again?
Ice.
Good. Okay, so, Putai, I need you to help scoop ice into here, okay? Here, I'll put this down here. Get some ice in there. Everything is in here now. What are we doing next?
Play.
Very good. Okay, so I need to put on the lid. And here we go. Okay, Thay, now it's time to decorate our smoothie. So first, can you get a blueberry? Get 1 blueberry and put it on top. Yep. Good. Very good. Okay, put the spoon back. And you're going to need mint, 1 leaf. Take 1 mint and put on top. Okay, very good. So next, it's your turn, Tita. Take 1 blueberry perfect. And a piece of mint. Next, for Mr. Day, let me help you, okay? Here you go. Here. Careful. Good. Okay, and mint. What's this, Tita?
It's a smoothie.
Very good. Think, what's that?
Smoothie.
That's right. And what's this, Putai?
It's a smoothie.
Everyone, we're finished now. Take your smoothies.
Yay!